A lot of people talk about shifting timelines, but it's more accurate to say you're shifting dimensions. Because Earth isn't just one world, it's many. It's a prison cell, it's an open field, it's an 18-hour shift in a factory, and it's a cushy job where all you do is show up and smile. It's a third world village, a first world suburb, a middle class struggle, an upper class playground. It's even a billionaire's orbit, where money solves everything except what really matters. The Earth is layered in dimensions, stacked on top of each other like frequencies, like stories written over the same page. And yes, heaven and hell are here. Not in the clouds, not beneath the ground, but in how we live, how we see, what we believe. Sometimes the only difference between heaven and hell is perspective. So, if you find yourself stuck in a certain version of Earth, in a certain dimension of life, ask yourself, why this one? What am I meant to learn here? What patterns have I repeated? What part of me chose this level of the game? Because the sooner you learn your lesson, the sooner you shift. Not magically, but energetically, consciously. And here's a clue. The more stale a dimension feels, it means you've stayed too long. When the colors start to fade, when every day feels the same, when it feels like the air itself is asleep, it's time. Time to grow, to question, to level up. Start working on yourself. Start observing your reactions. Start doing better, not just for others, but for you. Because Earth doesn't just contain many dimensions, you do. And it's time to move.